We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your paper jam, and I'm working with an HP Laserjet P-2035. There's only a couple places your jam's going to be. The first place I recommend to check is going to be under your toner. So open the front, pull your toner out. If the jam's here, be very careful, it could get hot. And then you want to be gentle when you're clearing that jam. You want to go slow and be very gentle with it. The second place you want to look is going to be in the back. Be careful because it does get hot back here. If it's here, it literally would just be right there. You just pull it up and out. Last place is going to be right here on the top. But yet again, if it's in the top, you're going to see it in the back anyways. If you're getting lots of jams, it's probably time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.